Caveman and I are rating our pain on an index. But unlike Justin Schmidt, only rated intensity, we're rating our pain index on a 3-factor scale. Intensity, duration, and damage. All being rated out of 10. This will give us an ultimate pain index between 1 and 30.
To establish a baseline reference, we're adding a honeybee to the pain scale. Almost everyone can relate to being stung by a honeybee, which we're going to rate a 3, 1 point for every category. Are you ready to do this?
I just want to get it over with. It's just surreal that there's a 16-foot python in here and I'm going to let it bite my arm. Oh, man. All right. The damage this snake can inflict is massive.
You ready?
Yeah. If this thing latches on, it's going to get very serious very quickly. Oh, the head's out. That's a big head. The best outcome is big puncture wounds in our arm that bleed a lot. Worst case scenario, we can die. Whoa. All right, he's ready to go.
Yep.
He's looking at me, he's looking at me.
All right, we gotta get this thing back in the bag, man, before we have an accident.
Oh, I got a fang hanging out of me.
Okay, let me see it.
There's a fang hanging out of me. Oh, dude, it opened me up. It opened me up good. Look at them. That's
Feeling okay?
No, that's deep. Look how deep that is, dude.
Oh my God.
Dude, look at that. Look at them.
Are you okay, man?
No, I don't know.
Here, have a seat,
Dude, I'm bleeding a lot, man. They're big gashes.
Kings of Pain. New series premieres Tuesday, November 12th at 10 on History.